Anyway, so we're there now. What time? I fell over?
The time's on the stove. I said it.
Oh, yeah, it's after 11 o'clock. We there do a late night cooking. Me there go and bung some music. For this long time, I don't listen to some nice souls music. I'm like, I like souls music, you know. I went just to sing that song in Nisha. Celine Dion and them thing there, you know what I mean?
You like soul music and don't even know who sing.
No, but so look how much song they both of people like, but at the same time they don't know who's singing.
Zigzag.
Why?
Can you pass my phone, please?
Nope.
Please.
Nope, cause you diss me.
I'm not joking.
Well, me not joking.
Please.
Nope. So anyway, as I'm saying, sorry about that. As I'm saying, me there I look both some brown stew chicken in the midst of the night, yeah. Cause I go back, I go up on the work tomorrow. So I say, I have some lunch. If I carry with me same speed, I have to go buy a burger. I know chips and things. You know? I'm a fat baby, so I wake up and I cry for food. Yeah, mama, alright, that's what's in my face.
Pass my phone, please.
You know, get a go for.
No. You got.
Say hi, good night.
I'm tired.
Do you use fart?
No, that was her foot on the chair. After I.
Cause me I say why you fart on the vlog like. Anyway, mama there see me and just wake up, cry for food and.
20 minutes now.
Which 2 minutes?
20 minutes.
Oh, yeah, roughly.
While she's talking, tell them. Yes, exactly. Tell them to pass my phone.
Should I give it to her? Okay, I'll do whatever she said. Yeah, so see there. I'm gonna go sit down now again. Normally, me always brown my chicken first, cause I like brown the chicken and then deal with it. But you don't know anything going at the time, man. I do one thing at one go. You see me? So see there. I'll go add some extra water to it, you know. Should I have a story for time? Yeah, mama. Yeah. So, stir him up. Next side, feel what I go on iPad same way. It smells good too. If you can't see steam, you can smell what I go on. See there. Normally, the only time a pot should have looked so when you dry down to gravy, but we're not ready for that the part there yet. Turn on some extra light knife paste. Boom, boom. Yeah, though. Right? So now this one up. Same seasoning water and I. Mama? Probably have to go add a little more water to it because we want we bone them soft, you know, because you know Jamaican we eat with what? Bone. Me love to me chicken bone. You know? Love me chicken bone, man. My girl, stop in my place. So, me have one question for you ask. I don't know if I'm me alone do it or what. Nisha? Oh, because you say I check out some. Anyway, when you go KFC, you eat chicken bone or you dash on a chicken bone or you barely eat off the meat and left like a white piece them pan it. Or you just go through the chicken bone. I want to know if I'm me alone. Because when I go to KFC, you know, if the chicken right, everything right, me they eat down to the bone. Because you know, me know Nisha say Nisha eat round it. Nisha eat Canadian way. Nisha eat like Canadian. You know? Like she eat round it. Just like when they eat apple, they eat round the middle part, go right round it.
No. The bone, I Okay, let me tell you I eat the bone. I eat the bone down to the, like what is it, the cartilage part.
Yeah.
But I don't chew up the bone.
But that's the best part of chicken, you know?
I'm not that hungry.
I'm not that hungry. It's not the point of that hungry. It's like just the way you eat. I don't just the way you eat. I nice is part of the chicken. That worse if little juice in it. Nice. Yeah. I slap me in my face again. You know? Oh man. I live family, you know. Say what up? Put on cap. Hold him down. Hold him down now. In there, man.
Where?
Nisha.
How about it?
Yeah,
Where? Like, seriously?
oh. My car bad girl say, why you chicken neck? I mean, I cook no chicken.
It's a chicken that no. Hey, no sir. Nobody give me cross, you know, man, because me I say, yes, a chicken I cook up here. And me see, one piece of chicken, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What kind of chicken this?
Chicken.
Oh yeah, make.
Brown stew chicken.
Me bum. Come on, bro. That's a steamed chicken that. I'm going to show you how to do the thing correctly. You see me I say? Alright.
Alright, sir. So, we are come back when everything starts.
No! What? They know this here the record, they may go for the whole dusty shit me have to blow off, man. The frying pan, the special pan, you know, brother. Yeah? You think that's only good saucepan thing me I work with? Thing when
yeah, boy.
What?
15 piece of chicken or 10.
Just watch, them wash off already, not sure them clean up.
No, sir.
I lie. Don't I put me on some extremely more pressure, but then make it go on, cause you know say, not it. A poker, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna win, not true. Good. So, wanna see who take precedence around here, you know? You see, look a princess over there, you know, man. You see, look a princess over there. This one, I'm gonna show you, give a close up. Look up. Hungry, what's up? Yes, man.
You didn't even catch it.
You see? Me look a ombre this, you know? Nacho! Yes, man.
How good?
Good to go. So I'm gonna turn on this and make it get extremely hot. And you see how she put the camera up on fear side.
No, I was trying to
Who they have cook up?
You and daddy.
No, sir.
Anyways, I'm gonna make some real Jamaican stew chicken. Have me pan a rush. I'm gonna deliver it correctly right now. Chicken done clean up already, you know, in a pot and pan and everything, you know. Good to go, you know. Anyways, stew chicken concern right now. I'll up a pot. Right,
Wait,
brand new aisle. I'm not even open it yet. How me hang shows. I try to catch up to him. But for him steam chicken I go on good to him. I'm not even start yet.
Two different stew
Wait,
chicken.
is daddy frying his?
Yeah, it's simple.
That is old runs still.
Eh?
No, the ones you like, the Mazzola?
Yeah, man.
44.97.
We find some Mazzola oil kind of cool. Work with everything you have fried good, you know. The animal fat oil different because it actually give food more flavor, but then say not good for you. But that's where you go.
There's that salt vinegar.
Something wrong with me, man. You know, right? No, sir. Alright, man. No problem. That one I make it. Alright. I'm going to punish them in some conversation, you know.
Fun.
May I put funny thing them I say, what me just put vinegar in there, may I put salt on it for.
No,
If anyone out who can't figure it out, you don't know, then say them have some comment box on them little thing they want. Make sure you know what everything you know. Because when you put the salt on it, it coats up a thing, so it scrape off bacterial kind of thing that will lead to sickness and things. So the salt make it coat. You see me I say? Good. Yeah, alright. See. How much I feel? 4. No sir. You say you hear? You say my 4 left. He have 6 pieces of chicken in the pot. He must cook it over there. So he must steam the chicken. He not stew, he must steam the chicken. He say 4 pieces for him. That means say we not get none, you know man. But me go fix it up. Make a palico. Whole heap of season me mix up. We talk about that one next time, but if we catch him up here now. Now one time we tell you stuff. Now this now. You see? It depends we marker. We mark on the thing where we have in the stuff. One thing me love, you can't forget about that. Maggie do it dear.
It is expensive, you know.
This we no get a foreign. Are you fat? It's like a what do you call it? Like care package.
That size.
You know then they come. We family members them go down and come up and then bring you for it. Care package. Move on night thing and but anyways, chicken does taste so. No brown and nothing. Natural brown. Listen to this now. I done hot already, you know man. Chicken are going up iron, you know man. You can't put too much of them in the pot, you know man, because you don't want steam the chicken, you know man. Make it fry, you know man. At least 8 to 10 minutes on the side, you know man. Long process, but it tastes damn good, you know brother. Anytime like with chicken I fry here now for me stew chicken, I'm going to show you if you deal with the onion thing. Still. I know if you're at Jamaica or one of them country there, you can't really waste the onion them kind of way, but it just makes it easier when you're on a fast pace. Just cut it down, cut off the 2 sides, tear off that, and you get something like that. Good to go. Same thing. That one is the more common cooking onion. You tear off and put aside. And then have a sweet onion. And the next one, I will introduce to you. So, right now, I'm just prepping for the stew down. Meanwhile, the chicken are fried. Keep yourself busy, have something to do. So we're going to use onion, we're going to use scallion or green onion, and we're going to use thyme. And we're going to season the rest of it up with some powder seasoning, the Maggi thing, then the care packages. And you can cut the onion big. It's all gonna break down in the stew. Go check back on the chicken now. Okay. You see the underside dark. You see the blackness there? That's a good turn the brown. Now the oil well hot. You can put some more chicken in there to cool it down. I'll adjust the temperature. But I like mine charged, but all this is going to be flavor. Yes, everything done brown up already. So we have the tomato, we have the scallion, and the onion, one red, one regular cooking onion. If the onion go and release some of the juice, then we have mix up with everything. Then I'm gonna add some water to that. Let me ketchup. Hot water, steaming down now. In 5 minutes, you will see natural brown. Everything black on brown now. I cover him up and give him some time. I'm not happy hot, but I'm going to add some regular white wine to this too. Not much. Pour the cup. You see, if you finish that off, all you have to do is add a little bit of this, little bit of ketchup. It's Jamaican ketchup. Remember that commercial they on TV? You still have TV at Jamaica? Anyway, little bit of this, little bit of water. If you steam them up, make your gravy get thick up. Little bit of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, you're good to go. You're gonna finish it off, you know. Okay,
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
No sooner, the line I know. Yeah. Yeah, for Milan. That baby.
I want to they can't show them.
It's too early. It's too early.